Hi, I'm Gracie. Welcome to Lockdown Crafts. Today we're making face masks. We will need some neoprene material, a template which will be in the description, a sewing machine, some pins if needed, and scissors. First, we will need to pin down our template if you need to. You can just hold it, but I can't. And then we'll need to draw on the outside. Now I've finished drawing that, I'll take out the pin. And take off it. Now that we've done that, it's time to cut it out. I don't know where to start it. Maybe. Okay, so we've cut them out. Now we need to sew them. We'll need to sew them along this curved edge. To do this, we'll need it together. Okay. Sewing machine and now you need to turn it inside out. And here is your lockdown craft. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and see you next time for more lockdown crafts.